Hello and happy Sunday. Welcome to Rita's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you some recipes that are very simple and easy. And they're all based off of muffins. We're going to make egg, meat, and banana muffins. And all of them are going to have protein in them. They're going to taste great and they're simple. Okay, that's all it is simple recipes that you and your family can enjoy, and they're all healthy as well. I'm going to make them in 6 muffin increments, but you're welcome to use more. You just double the recipe and make 12 if you have a 12 tin. You need a bowl, a tin, and a measuring cup, and a fork to stir.